G'day everyone, Nick here from STEDI's product development team with another exciting new product from STEDI, a rally bar for the current model Isuzu MUX. Let me take you through a few of the features and how to install this trick new bar. We designed these bars to fit seamlessly into the front end, offers a sturdy mount for some lights, and of course we've got plenty of light options to finish it off. Everything's supplied in the kit. Brackets, bar and fasteners are made from stainless steel, and if everything except the fasteners are powder coated in satin black. This install is pretty easy, won't take you long, and only needs a couple of basic tools. Let's get into it. All right, first up, lift your bonnet. We've got to remove the plastic cover over the radiator. There's small clips in that we have to lift out with either a trim tool or a screwdriver. Next up, remove the two top bolts from the bonnet latch. Then we've got to remove the two bolts at the bottom of the radiator brake. All right, next we've got to take out two more of the plastic clips. These are in the lower body member. We've got to use a screwdriver or a trim tool again to get those ones out. We've got to put in the rally bar support post now. This uses the original bolts on the inside, and it uses two custom nuts with bent little handles on it to allow easier access into it, and two stainless bolts that goes with them. With a socket extension, it's a lot easier to get these bottom bolts from outside the car. Use the two larger diameter washers on the bottom outside bolts. A couple of tight spots at putting in the bolts at the bottom of the brackets. Just take your time. Now you've got to repeat the process on the other side. All right, we've got to fit the arms next for the holding onto the rally bar. Each arm has three M8 20mm long bolts with a nylock nut at each on the end, and two washers. These get placed down through the gap. You got to pick which hole the arms are going to come through. This second lot from the top, and then bolt it to the bucket. Slide the arm up and down in the gap in the grille just to get an equal gap top and bottom. Okay, time for the rally bar. This mounts to the arms coming out of your grille. You just need 4 of the M8 20mm long bolts, 2 washers per bolt, and the nylock nut. Right, now we're putting this top cover back on. We've just got to make these holes slightly bigger to fit around the bolt heads. If you're careful with the Stanley knife, you could use that. I like to use a step drill if you've got one. And you've just got to, even with your hand, just open it up slightly until it fits over the bolt head. All right, last thing, put all the clips back in the top cover and you're done. So that's our MUX and D-Max rally bar. Any questions, feel free to get in touch. Any more product information, have a look at our website and make sure to follow us on all our socials.